Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you reset setting with Microsoft Edge. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, so at the three dot icon and go to the settings option. Here the profile we will work with the reset thing. So here the reset settings, this is reset setting. Here what have that this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs. It also, if you want to reset this thing, so if you reset, then what will happen? So you turn off all extension and clear temporary data like cookies. See, cookies, whatever any kinds of data that will be erased or reset, and your favorite history and saved password will not be cleared, but history, favorite and save password will not be cleared. See, in this way we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.